2, beginning an 8-column worksheet for a merchandising business. We've done a worksheet before, and I think it was chapter 8 for a sole proprietorship. The difference in this is we have a few more adjustments we have to make. First, they want us to enter information into the supplies account. So we will put supplies here, office, and supplies has a debit balance, and it would be $52.10.98. They also want us to enter into the accounts payable account on line 13. Accounts payable has a credit balance of $17,558.16. Another balance they want us to put in is purchases discount. Purchases discount takes away from our purchases account. It is a contra account to purchases, so it is a credit balance, $5,155.28. And the last one, that's too much, sorry, $5,155.28. There we go. And the last one is salary expense. Salary expense is an expense account. Expenses have debit balances, so we will add it as a debit. After that, then you are to add the two columns, and you should come up with the same answer. I believe that you can add on your own, so I'm not going to do that part of it, but these two answers should be the same. Remember, the reason why we do the trial balance in the worksheet is to make sure our debits equal credits. The next part of the problem is to create our adjusting entries, and we will put them in our adjustments column. Remember, we have several. We do 3 this time: supplies office, supplies store, and prepaid insurance. And the reason we do that is because we've never taken into account that we've used up the supplies. We just keep adding to them whenever we buy them. So at the end of the year, we count up how much we actually have, and then we make the adjusting entry. It says here that our store supplies is $489.73, and this is what we have right now, so we're going to have to subtract to find out what our adjusting entry is. So we'll take 5210.98 and subtract the 489.73. No, somehow it didn't work. Let me try again. So I'll do 5210.98, subtract 489.73. So this is our adjusting entry, 4721.25. And since this amount got smaller, we're going to have to credit our supplies expense. 4721.25. And we also need to debit an account. I'm just going to copy it. Come down and find our supplies expense office, and we will debit that amount. Another adjusting entry we have is supply store for $701.19. We come up here, our balance is $43.49.44. So again, we're going to have to subtract to find. There we go. Our adjusting entry, $43.49.44 minus $701.19, $36.48.25. Again, it got smaller, so we will put it in as a credit to our supply store. $36.48. And then we will also need to debit this amount down in our expense account. And the last one that we're going to do for this one is prepaid insurance. It has gone down to $500. That is all that is left in our prepaid insurance. We started out with $6,000. I think we could probably do that in our head. 6,000 minus 500 is 5,500. It got smaller, so we will put it here. And also down here with our insurance expense will be a debit. So that is how you calculate the adjusting entries for supplies, office supplies, store, and prepaid insurance.